We need failure. These words might seem counterintuitive as failure is often associated with disappointment and frustration. However, the situations and experiences that we tend to resist can be powerful opportunities for personal and professional development. It's time to reframe our understanding of failure and recognize that it is merely an experience, an invaluable teacher on the journey of self-discovery. I'm here from FIBONACCI'S with the weekly market recap. I hope everybody's enjoying this weekend. So without any further ado, please like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's see the charts. First red week on the SPY since March earlier this year. First red week. 447 now needs to hold, otherwise we are heading towards the 437. Some kind of a pullback is very healthy. It's August, it's summer. We are preparing for Q4 of 2023. So pullback retracement 437 and 430 will be very healthy. QQQ on the weekly, basically moving sideways as we can see since beginning of July. Nothing much. 367 to the downside, 385 to the upside. In case 367 will fail to hold, we have 355 and then 337. Long continuation above 385 and then 410 all-time highs. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Where Qs and the SPY will end 2023? New all-time highs or at the same levels as we are experiencing in the past few weeks or so? IWM third week sideways move, 192 to the downside, 198 to the upside, long continuation above 198 towards 206 and then 217, retracement below 192 towards 188 and then 182 to the downside. Dow Jones gave us false hope in the past 2 weeks and then came previous week 347 to the downside. Now is the support. We can be a little bit more accurate with our Fibonacci. Swing low, swing high, 350 now needs to hold, otherwise we are heading back towards 344, 345. As we know this level, looking left, tough resistance. So now by nature, if 350 will fail to hold, 344 will become the next major support. Bitcoin, another week, another nothing basically, holding this uptrend white line. 28,600 is the level of support. Below it, we are heading towards 26,450. Ethereum, same thing, not surprising. 1826 is holding on the weekly. Below it, we are heading towards 1734 and 1650. Long continuation only above 1966 towards 2144, 2150. Crude oil futures on the weekly. I'm sure you saw previous videos and you remember this white box as a very tough resistance area. We said it once oil will break above the 75 area. We are heading straight towards this box, this tough resistance area, and here we are. Now let's see, bulls of oil breaking up and above. Next will be 89 and then 96 to the upside. All we have to do is know in-depth candlestick analysis, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, and that's it. This is how we can know with high probability where price might be heading next with high probability, and it doesn't matter if it's oil, Bitcoin, SPY, Qs, or any other stock. Once we truly understand candlestick analysis, aka pure price action, we can trade any security on any time frame. If you want to take your trading journey to the next level, to the highest level, check the links in the description below. Choose your path and how you want to become your own indicator. One-on-one live mentorship or the pre-recorded Same program, pre-recorded, 6 hours, 49 lessons. Check it out. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to contact me on Discord or on Twitter. Apple weekly, very red week. As we can see, just vanished and erased the past 5 weeks. Now 176 to the downside together with this open gap. Let's see this gap getting filled before the next leg up. Overall, very bearish week for Apple. Amazon, on the other hand, after 5 or 6 weeks just consolidating to the, and now breaking to the upside. 136 now is the support. From resistance, now it will become support. Next will be 146. Above 146 we are heading towards 156, 157. AMD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks moving sideways with 110 to the downside, 120 to the upside. Long continuation above 120, obviously towards 133 and then 153 towards this upper purple trend line. Short below this purple trend line, below the 110, a weekly close below it, and we are heading towards 98 to the downside and then 80.8. Always prepare for both sides, always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of price action. Nvidia, another week, another sideways move. Basically, as we can see, we had 4 weeks sideways move between the 393 and the 430. Now 430 support, 4 weeks between the 430 and the 484. Long continuation above 484 towards 560. Meta, inside week, nothing much on Meta. 327 to the upside, 283 to the downside. But if we zoom out, we can clearly see Meta is in an uptrend. Google, inside week, 134 to the upside, 126 to the downside. If we will get reversal to the downside, 126 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are heading towards 121. Below 121, in my opinion, 113 and 102. But overall, we have low, higher lows, higher highs on Google. On the weekly, zooming out, until proven otherwise, Google is in an uptrend. Microsoft basically moving sideways for the past 3 months or so, since May. 326, 327 is the support, 352 is the resistance. Let's see if this 326 can hold. Otherwise, we are heading towards this red trend line. Tesla, nothing much on Tesla. Moving sideways since beginning of June. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks of sideways move on Tesla. Let's see where Tesla is heading. For now, if you're not long or short on Tesla, my opinion, and of course it's only my opinion, we need to sit and wait. Long continuation above 300 towards 353 and 436. We need this trend line, this purple trend line, to hold as support. Let's see some kind of a bounce, touch, bounce, and then next leg up. Netflix, let's count how many weeks Netflix is moving sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. 2 months of Netflix sideways move. 412 to the downside, 443 to the upside. Long continuation, only a week or maybe 10 days, closing above the 443. Retracement towards this yellow trend line below 412. Shopify, let's see what Shopify brought us in the past week. As we can see, Shopify breaking below this uptrend line. This line held the higher lows since October 2022. Now bears of Shopify trying to break below 56.70 needs to hold. Otherwise, we are heading towards 49. Let's see if bulls of Shopify can bring price back up above this trend line, above the 63, and then we are heading back towards 71.51. But overall, Shopify is looking for now as retracement to the downside. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit a like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Choose your own path to become your own indicator. Until the next video, stay safe.